Good evening everybody, I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 14th and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So VIX is down a little bit. So we are down 98.3.59%, closed at 26.29. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday we had something very dramatic right here, but at least, and this is in hindsight a little bit, at least it did not go above this resistance right here. It was contained at some point. It was contained. Now we went very close to that resistance, so it was a little bit harder during the day to start to get back up. If we go on the 1 hour chart, we are going to understand what happened. So we tried to break this resistance again today on the first hour of the day, like we did on the last hour of yesterday. But then we were defeated and then it started to go down. Then we started to keep following this big upward channel that we had been in since August 18th. So we seem to get back into it like so here. And today we have a nice green candle here and we broke that support. So maybe this was just a little bit of fluke and maybe we are going to get a little bit of a pause into this ascent at least until next week when the actual interest rates get raised. So maybe this is going to disturb us a little bit. Let's go see how the index fared. Okay, in terms of the index, this is not as nice as Tesla. Look at this. So we are basically just going sideways. So we went lower but picked it back up. No move on the stochastic. Yeah, this is just a sideways action. SPX climbed back up a little bit. Still no stochastic on the horizon. Even on the 1 hour chart, there's absolutely no stochastic. So on the 1 hour chart, we are in this congestion right here, going sideways for now, but not much strength on the index. Nasdaq Composite, the same story. We are in a congestion zone right here. And also lastly, let's look at Nasdaq 100 for fun. Okay, the same thing right here. We are in a congestion zone. This is a stabilization. I'm surprised a little bit at Tesla, but Tesla there is so many great news about Tesla. Great things are happening all the time. There's the AI Day that is coming up I think somewhere in September, so there's a lot of positivity I feel in the air for Tesla. But in terms of the market as a whole, we are still right back into the smaller bear trend within a larger bear trend. Being long in the stock market right now is a little bit harder to do because of this whole bear market trend and talks about recession and inflation and interest rates and all of that. Yeah, these are not easy days, but if we are careful and if we follow our principles, and this is hard to do because in terms of emotions, we need to manage our emotions when there are big swings. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.